You guys, I had to share this with you. I am currently in Excel for desktop. And you're like, what other kinds of Excel are there? Well, there's also Excel 365, which is in the cloud. You're like, where's the cloud? I'm like, I don't know. Anyway, this is on my desktop. And I just noticed that this automate tag is here in the ribbon. And that is so exciting. And you're like, why is that so exciting? Great question. Okay, we have automate right here, and then we have developer right here. Developer is where you go if you want to make a macro. And a macro is a type of script that you put into Excel that automates and does things for you. And only the big super nerds in the office know it. You have to know Visual Basic, which is a super old programming language. This, this is the successor to knowing Visual Basic, Office scripts. Office scripts are based on a type of JavaScript language, from what I understand. Much easier to learn, much easier to use, and you can do a lot of things with it, not only in your Excel, but you can also use it in a Power Automate flow to manipulate your Excel while you're not even in your Excel. Like you can use it as part of a flow. So these are all some samples. You can create your own. You can, it's like you can share them with each other. So that's number one. Number two is this button right here. You know what this is, guys? Do you know what this is? This is Power Automate. So this is bringing in Power Automate flows into your Excel. Schedule an Office script to run in Excel and then send an email. What if you could use that in an Excel table that had client documents that were still needed? You could have this Office script run on July 15th so that if there's still documents outstanding, it pops open and creates an email for you to request the documents from clients. Wouldn't that be incredible? So I saw this. I just wanted to share and let everybody know what it was and um, get started learning about it and using it. Okay, thanks, guys. Bye bye.